12 of the best foods for kidney health, detox, and cleansing. The kidneys are responsible for a wide range of vital processes in the body, including blood pressure regulation and bone health. Your kidneys, which are located behind the rib cage, are in charge of eliminating waste from the body. Your kidneys can self-cleanse if you consume enough of fruits and vegetables and stay hydrated. A healthy diet and regular exercise can help you avoid future kidney problems. Number 1. Red peppers. These peppers are low in potassium, which might be difficult for people with kidney illness. They are also high in vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps with energy production, blood flow, and metabolism throughout the body. Red blood cell production is aided by folate and B6. Red bell peppers also contain lycopene, a potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys and prevents kidney failure. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage contains fiber, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin K. The fiber in cabbage and other leafy greens slows nutrient absorption. This allows the liver and kidneys to process the inflow into the bloodstream. Fiber prevents blood sugar spikes, which are one of the leading causes of kidney disease, and it also aids in the removal of toxins from the digestive tract. Vitamin K is essential for good blood coagulation. Cabbage also includes a high concentration of phytonutrients, which function as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Number 3. Cauliflower and broccoli. Vitamin C and folate are abundant in these florets. Cauliflower is high in fiber and anti-inflammatory chemicals. When your kidneys are healthy or simply sluggish, cruciferous veggies are really beneficial. They should be avoided if your kidneys are in bad shape or if you have gout. Number 4. Leafy greens. Greens are rich in vitamin C, folate, fiber, vitamin K, and many other phytonutrients that reduce stress on the kidneys, reduce blood pressure, balance blood sugar, and combat inflammation. Consider adding healthy greens to your diet such as mustard greens, dandelion leaves, and turnip greens. Dandelion especially increases urine production, cleaning out the kidneys and reducing blood pressure. Number 5. Garlic. Allicin is found in garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and leeks. Allicin is an organic sulfur molecule with anti-inflammatory effects. It also fights illness, lowers blood pressure, and can function as an antioxidant. Number 6. Mushrooms. Mushrooms provide numerous benefits for renal health, making them an important part of any diet. These fungi are naturally low in sodium and high in potassium, which is important for maintaining a healthy blood pressure balance and lowering the risk of kidney injury. Mushrooms are high in antioxidants including ergothioneine and selenium, which help to fight oxidative stress, which is linked to kidney disease. Their anti-inflammatory qualities help to reduce kidney inflammation and improve overall renal function. Number 7. Asparagus. The asparagus stalk is an excellent source of fiber. The phytonutrients in asparagus lowers blood pressure and has a cleansing effect on the kidneys and bladder as they increase urine production and break up uric acid. This is for prevention. Those who already suffer from kidney disease should be careful with asparagus as it is also rich in potassium and phosphorus. Number 8. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber. Apple fiber is particularly effective at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, hence reducing the burden on the kidneys. Apples also lower inflammation and cholesterol levels. Number 9. Berries. Berries are low-calorie treats that are also high in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help protect kidney cells and nephrons. They include vitamin C, fiber, folate, and manganese, as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Some, such as cranberry, are known to soothe the urinary system and prevent infections. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cherries all aid in kidney protection and cleansing. Raspberries also contain ellagic acid, an antioxidant that has been linked to the prevention of renal disease and certain malignancies. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado contain vital fatty acids that reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and can alleviate the pain of kidney stones. Other healthful fatty acid-rich oils to try are sacha inchi and moringa oil. Olive oil is a good source of healthful fatty acids and is phosphorus-free. The majority of the fat in olive oil is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat. Oleic acid is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Number 11. Ginger. For hundreds of years, this spice has been utilized as a digestive aid. Ginger has been demonstrated to protect the kidneys from diabetes, alcohol, and dehydration. Ginger, when paired with thyme, may provide even more protection. Thyme has been shown to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This is advantageous to the kidneys because elevated blood pressure can have a negative impact on the organs. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric is related to ginger and can similarly protect the kidneys from harm, albeit its potassium content makes it unsuitable for persons who already have kidney disease. Turmeric's secret weapon: 11 health benefits of curcumin. To get the most out of this spice, combine it with black pepper. Piperine is the active element in black pepper. When piperine is combined with curcumin, the main component in turmeric, it creates a potent mixture. Both chemicals have anti-inflammatory characteristics and can help with digestion.